Hi students, Miss Clay here. We're going to take a look at the animal cell model here, and here we're going to look at some of the key organelles. So what are the function of some of the structures and organelles? Remember, an animal cell is a eukaryotic cell, and animal cells are surrounded by a cell membrane, which controls what goes into and out of the cell. And inside the center of the cell is our nucleus. And in the middle of the nucleus is our nucleolus. And therefore, this is a very important part because this is where we can make or hold our DNA inside of the nucleus. Then attached to that, we have a rough endoplasmic reticulum, which also has proteins attached to it for transport of materials throughout the cell. Another part of the animal cell is going to be the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. This is where we get most of our cellular respiration being done, and it stores a very important energy called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. Then, of course, the little black dots are our ribosomes, and we have lysosomes, which are digestive proteins of the cell. The ribosomes, which are the black dots, that is the structure for which proteins are made on. And here we also have in the animal cell a very small vesicle, which stores water and other materials. Inside the animal cell, it is quite smaller than the cell of a plant cell. And then all of the extracellular material is held together by the area that is called the cytoplasm. And also a part of this, and we see here our ribosomes again, structures for making proteins, very important. And we have the Golgi apparatus, and let me get a good look at the Golgi apparatus here. And this is what packages the proteins and prepares it for transport. So we have here a good model, and remember the cell membrane is so important because the cell membrane in animal cells is the outer covering which controls what goes into and out of the cell, and the cell membrane regulates it by keeping homeostasis. Remember, it is a double phospholipid membrane bilayer, and it is selectively permeable, so it selects what can enter easily or which can only move through special channels. And some things require energy. If those things require energy, it has to use active transport. If it does not require energy, it uses passive transport. So I hope you enjoyed our review of the animal cell on today. This is Mrs. Clay with Science 6th grade. Thank you.